back after 3 months of not uploading, and I just decided to do something really fast and simple just because I wanted to make a video. So I have some whipping cream and a large mouth cup because today I'm going to be making some butter. To get started, you need some heavy whipping cream. That's essential because that's what butter's made out of. This is Dairy Gold heavy whipping cream, and that's just what you need. And you can get a cup like this that's nice and large, so you can pour your cream inside of it. This cream I've had out for like 2 hours so it can warm up, because the warmer it is the faster it turns into butter. But don't use anything to like heat it up because that will make it go bad. So just like let it sit out, and then you can pour in some cream into the cup. Got our cream in there. Don't want to spill it. So you want to put the lid on, and then you're going to need to shake the bottom as fast as you can till you feel it solidify completely into butter. It's going to take, as if you're shaking really good, it's going to take, the warmer it is, if it's pretty warm, like room temperature, it should take like 10 to 20 seconds if you shake it really good. So I'm just going to start. Oh, it's turning into cream. Whipped cream. I'm going to keep shaking it until the cream breaks and turns back into butter. And there it goes. If you look inside, you can see the big glob of butter on the inside, but there's also a ton of liquid still in there. That's buttermilk you can use for like baking, or you can just drink it because it tastes good. But yeah, so I'm going to take this butter out, put it in a glass so you guys can see it easier. It's not surrounded by a red cup. So I just separated the butter and the buttermilk. This is buttermilk. You can use it for baking or just drink it, as I already said. But inside here is the butter. This is the real good stuff. All the butter we got out. It's quite a bit. Tastes like butter, looks like butter. Has a nice yellow color. If you want it to last longer though, you need to put a little bit of salt into it. So I'm gonna do that now. But yeah, that's basically it. If you want to do this at home, it's super easy. Just go to the store, pick up some heavy whipping cream, put it in a bottle, and just shake it as hard as you can for a little while. And that's how you make butter. Thank you guys for watching to the end of this video. I'm going to be posting some more soon, and just watch out for those, and I'll see you guys next time on Cubby Creates.